What's going on with Rollertap? It's been a while since I did an update on Rollertap, so today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you my progress on Rollertap and some news from the Rollercoin team regarding the future of Rollertap. Stay tuned. Okay, so are you still all tapping away? Well, I am, at least sometimes. So let's check out my progress on Rollertap. On my screen here, you can see Rollercoin in the background and Rollertap open on my Telegram app. You can see that I'm currently just over 4 billion RCC tokens, almost halfway through level 7. Almost is a big almost, because to get 1 billion to get to the 5 billion, that's going to take quite some time as well. So as you may recently know, there were new cards released as well. There was actually one card that was released, and that is the Big Boss Hamster. I've gotten that up to level 27, okay? And if we go back to the homepage here of Rollertap, you can see that I am currently at 76 coins per tap. Next level, 10 billion, and coins per hour, I am getting 4.54 million coins per hour in passive income, but that lasts me around 3 hours and 40 minutes, and the extra 40 minutes is thanks to the card that I have, which is the special card called Healthy Sleep, which I am on at level 3, and that's giving me more time to be able to get that passive income, 2,400 seconds more. Okay, so that's 40 minutes more. Okay, I've got these special cards. Nothing much has changed here. I haven't invested a lot in those, but I did invest in the new Big Boss Hamster, and I got that up, as I said, to level 27. So what I'd like in this video is that you give me your 2 cents about Rollertap, what you think about Rollertap and how it's going for you as well. It would be great to know all the progress of most of you out there. If you can tell me what you're doing and let the whole community know how it's going for you, that would be awesome. So recently, Rollercoin have released a nice piece of news for Rollertap that it definitely will be integrated into the Rollercoin game. So it doesn't seem to be like a hard and fast rule anymore that the Rollercoin team need to reach 1 million subscribers on Rollertap for this to be integrated into the Rollercoin game. And that news is on Twitter, on the Rollercoin Twitter page. Rollertap will be connected with Rollercoin 100%, okay? It's going to happen. But how exactly will you be able to spend your coins? Well, we have a ton of ideas, but we want to hear yours. Do you want an option to exchange it for RLT or get special miners with it? Okay, so leave your ideas in the comments. So if you haven't seen this post, the Rollercoin team here are asking for all of our ideas of how the Roller community token will be integrated into the Rollercoin game. Okay, so it doesn't have to be just these 2 ideas mentioned here. You can come up with other ideas as well. So be sure to share your ideas in order for the team to be able to hopefully implement them. So let's see some of the comments here. So it's all one universe. No, of course it should be exchangeable for RLT. So exchange for RLT is the best idea. So it's already 2 comments with exchanging it to RLT is the best idea. Waited days, weeks and months for this news. If it doesn't happen, please give compensation for the price. If the project continues, please speed it up. Well, let's hope it gets done soon. I think it would be better the option to exchange RCC for RLT, but taking into account one's level in Rollertap. Okay, so there you go. So be sure to actually put some of your ideas there as well, okay? I think personally that if we can exchange the RCC token into an RLT token, that would be great, because you can then obviously exchange the RLT and buy more powerful miners as well. However, if there are special miners that you can only buy with the RCC token, that might actually entice people to use Rollertap even more, because the only way you'll be able to get those miners is through the RCC token and not just by simply exchanging it to RLT and using RLT like you typically would. Another idea might be to exchange the RCC community tokens into actual crypto, but I'm not sure if the team will actually be able to do that or not, or if that's going to be a good idea or not for the team. Obviously, it has to benefit the Rollercoin team as well. So I think the best case scenarios are those two ideas, okay? I don't think it's such a bad idea that we can get special miners using the RCC tokens, because in that sense, users will need to engage more in Rollertap as well, and there'll be more to look forward to on Rollertap. Exchanging to RLT is fine because you can get RLT tokens obviously by getting more RCC tokens as well. But when you say special miner, that's something that you can't get in any way other than using the RCC tokens. So that might actually be a bit more attractive for players to use Rollertap. But that's just my 2 cents. Tell me what you think down in the comments section below as well. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you didn't know this piece of news, now you do. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.